Here's how to force restart your Samsung phone. Now, if you have a Samsung phone and it's not responsive, or there's some kind of issue with it and you're not able to use it and play with it, play games, you can always force restart it. You're going to just use the buttons to be able to do this. So you're going to use the volume down and the power button here. So locate both of those. So you can see here's the volume up and volume down. So there's the volume down. And then there is that power button under it. Now we're going to press and hold them at the exact same time, and we need to hold them for a while. So I usually just get 2 fingers here and I'll press and hold them at the exact same time. You'll be able to see it shows this screen. Don't do anything. Don't touch this screen. Just wait for your entire Samsung screen to go black, but keep holding on there because you're not done force restarting it. We're going to hold those 2 buttons until you see the Samsung logo appear. When you do see that Samsung logo appear, you can remove your fingers, and just like that, you've done a proper force restart. This doesn't basically cause any issues. It doesn't break your phone. It just force restarts the software, a lot of times fixing bugs and glitches.